Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce Okinawa Oden and Soba. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna use this Hontsuyu. It contains soy sauce, bonito broth and sugar. Can be diluted and used for various dishes. First, make a boiled eggs. Peel the potatoes. This potato is small, so I don't cut it. Peel and cut the Daikon Radish. Make a notch. This is konjac. You can buy it for about $1. Use after lightly washing with water. Make a notch. This is Chikuwa, which is baked or steamed fish cake. You can also buy it for about $1. This is Maruten, which is fried fish paste. You can also buy it for about $1. Add 1 liter of water and 150 ml of Hontsuyu. Put the ingredients. Put the sausage. This is a pig's feet called tebichi. This is already stewed, and you can buy it for about $5. Okinawa Oden contains this tebichi. Finally, put the mugwort on it. It's done! 完成! Put the Okinawa soba in hot water few seconds. In Okinawa, we eat soba with oden soup. Put mugwort and pickled ginger on it. It's done! 完成! Itadakimasu. The oden depends on area. The ingredients and soup are different. Oden is sold at the convenience stores. In Okinawa, soba is also sold with it. How was today's video? This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking, and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。